Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix Grok app not working problem. So it is easy and simple, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Grok app and then tap on app info option. Now simply tap on storage usage option on the top, and now here you will see two options, clear cache as well as clear data. So tap on both option to clear both the things. Now close this app and open Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Now tap on search option in the bottom and then tap on search bar on the top, and here type Grok and now tap on OK, and here you will see update button option. So simply update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue for you. So hope this will help you. Thanks.